Hello everyone, welcome to analyticsspike YouTube channel. Today's video I will discuss about Facebook web conversion API, basic to advanced discussion. So let's start this video. First we will know about what is the conversion API. Conversion API helps to improve your marketing by creating a direct connection between your marketing technology and Meta's platform, providing you with more complete data, better optimize your ads. Watch the video above the learn why we should set up the conversion API and how to get started. Okay, the conversion API can help you to increase ad performance with increased reliability and extended use of your data, improve your measurement capabilities, execute a privacy preserving data strategy with increased access to innovations and data controls, increase event matching to reduce cost per result. How does Facebook conversion API works? Like other conversion APIs, the Facebook conversion API use server-side conversion tagging and send web events. This means that all data tracked lives on your server. You know the data created which is referred to first-party data, a user browser settings, ad blockers, third-party data. Third-party tools and cookies are not as limit with Facebook conversion API as the Facebook pixel. Is conversion API worth it? If you are seriously about getting the most out of your Facebook advertising campaign, I highly recommend using this conversion API. It is a powerful tool that can help you to improve your ad performance, increase your ROI, and get a better understand of your customer. What conversions can be tracked with conversion API? You can use conversion tagging to track the following kinds of website actions, affiliate payments, find location, phone calls, from submission, add to cart, begin checkout, page view, view content, purchase, email, subscription sales, and others actions that customer complete on your website. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask the comment box, or you can mail this mail. Thank you.